Hey guys, welcome to Iconic Works. I'm Negan and this is Lucille. Lucille is my 2000 model Golf MK4. So today I'm showing you a quick DIY hack for anyone dealing with a leaking hose on any vehicle. I didn't have a spare hose on hand, so I grabbed the polyethylene pipes from my uncle's discarded plumbing stash, fitted it into the leaking section, and tightened it up with a hose clamp, and it actually worked. This is just a temporary fix, but it's a lifesaver if you're stuck or waiting for a replacement part. Let's jump into it.
Look at my stuff falling into the engine there. What else fell through here now? I think that's the pipe that's under. No, can't be that. I saw something fall down here. Oh, and that knocking sound is just the cover. That's what's knocking there. Okay. Hi. Hello. I don't know what fell down there. Something fell down there. But we'll see once the car moves. Just gonna move these stuff over here. So I'm gonna let it get warm up a bit, and then check the pipe if it's leaking. But yeah, that's what I just did now, putting pipe inside the hose and putting a clamp on it. I've done it on the radiator pipe there, and that worked 100%. I've done it on that heater pipe over there. Where is it? On the heater pipe over there, and it's working, but I don't like it because there's like 3 clamps here. So the clamp at the bottom is clamping the pipe, right? And then the 2 clamps at the top, as you can see them there, those ones are clamping the pipe that I fitted inside. So I needed to do it that way because that one had like a hole cut in the pipe, so it was cut open. That is why I had to do it that way. And then yeah, so that pipe needs to be replaced, and then this one will be replaced when it gets replaced. I don't see any leaks yet. By now I will be seeing coolant dripping from there. So I see nothing for now. Just let it warm up a bit. I know, it's crazy, right? Sounds beautiful. So there is no leaks, as you guys can see. So that clamp did fix the pipe for now, the hose for now. So I need to get that replacement as soon as possible. If you guys got a good sound from that, but yeah, that will be it for today, guys. I'm not sure if I'll be posting this as shorts or if I'm gonna make it into a video on YouTube, but yes, I will be sharing this on YouTube. So on the official YouTube channel.